Hey, I'm taking this quick video to show you this 2022 leisure travel van Unity that is fresh to our lot here in Sandy, Oregon. It's on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, as all of the Unities are. Here's all the important information, stock number and all that. I'll do a quick walk around the outside so that you can see. It looks like it is in just absolutely beautiful condition. It does have the optional ladder. The other half of it is in storage, so people can't just climb on it randomly, but you can when you want to. Tons of storage underneath. This is beautiful. And let's go take a look at the inside. It's a nice awning up there. Those always have a wind sensor on them. All right. Check out this insulation too. Shut the door, that highway sound just disappears. All right, here is the chassis area. The leisure travel vans always have all the best things like the adaptive cruise control and everything like that. These seats are all upholstered in the leisure travel van manufacturing facility. They're made in Canada and they're just like a super high quality. This material, you can clean it with just like a Clorox wipe or any wipe, and they're basically impervious to almost everything, even like red wine will just like beat up and you can just wipe it right off. So here's the kitchen, and this is a countertop extension that comes down like this. Awesome. So if you need a little more space when you're cooking, but now you can have it be a chair again. 2-burner propane stove. This is the stainless steel sink, and there is like a secret little hidey hole for the counter or the sink cover. It's solid surface Corian, really nice. Microwave and a large fridge and freezer. Ooh, does it do the thing? Yes, it does the thing. I love it. You can open it from both sides. So if you're in the back, you can open it from the back. And if you're in the front, you can open it from the front. Okay, this is the rear living. It looks, so this is a consignment. It's a pre-owned vehicle, but it looks like it is in super good condition. Look at those huge windows. Looks like these people had like a mattress topper or something. So you can keep that or not, up to you. This is a really nice feature. It can create an extra space. Oh, hi, that's me. It can create an extra space so you can like totally have 2 rooms completely in here. If somebody wants to stay awake and you want to go to sleep, or you just want to watch a movie and not hang out anymore, you can actually make a separate room for yourself. There is a really nice skylight. This can hang some things to dry if you go to the beach or the lake and you want to hang up your towel after you went paddleboarding, or I don't know, laying on the beach, whatever you like to do. And then you also have a separate bathroom. So you do not need to have a wet bath. It is a separate proper bathroom with a porcelain toilet as well. Another like cute little sink cover here. Stainless steel again. And I think that this does something cool. Yes, it can close your window. So it's, and yeah, anyway, no one can peek inside. You do have a fan in there. This is all ducted air in here. I love leisure travel vans. They're so nice. They're so well made. And oh yeah, this. I love this thing. Sorry, I'm trying to do it with my single hand. Let me try my other hand. There we go. Yes. So nice for storage. It is such a good use of space. All of the windows are awning style, and they have screens on them, and they have, this is another like solar, it's like a solar shade. So if you just want to block a little bit of sun, or if you want to black it out. And the thing that's really nice too is that they're built in, so you don't need to like store them in an extra place. Anyway, this is an absolutely beautiful RV. So if you like it, let us know and hope we can help you out. All right. Happy camping. Bye.